Yeah, I contend this is probably a brain right here. Right in here, maybe, I don't know, could have been pituitary or something in there. There's lots of blood around here. Could be the pineal gland. It seems like this might be off to the side some, but there's a lot of erosion happening here. There's a piece of the right there. This is definitely the base of the brain, looks like, and there's a lot of blood streaming through here, coagulated black blood, red blood, iron rich, lots of mineralization, little individual little minerals in through here. Yeah, it's been broken down, but there's not much evidence it was here. Long time ago, thousands of years ago. There's some crack lines in here. Hope this video comes out good. Lots of blood in this area, it looks like. Some little white substance in there too. That could be just a mold or something. I'll scan around here. There's this one interesting rock here. Lots of red blood on that.